How to create a Gmail account. To create a Gmail account, follow these steps. Creating a Gmail account is a very simple and easy process, so just follow along. Firstly, open any of the apps that are associated with Google. You can even open settings and go to accounts. Here, just for easier access, I'm gonna open Gmail. After you have opened your Gmail, you will see an interface like this. At the top, you will see a search bar, and right beside the search bar, you will see a profile picture. Tap on your profile picture and this kind of menu will appear. At the bottom of this menu, you will see two options. Select the option Add another account. Now you can select what type of account you want to add. Select the option Google. After that, you will land to accounts.google.com. Since we are creating a new account, click on Create Account. Now select if it's for a business or for personal use. You can select accordingly. Then you will need to type in your first name and your surname. Type in your first name, and also if you have a middle name, you can even type that in. After you have done that, then select the next option. Now select your date of birth and click on Next. Now here you will need to type in your username. Sometimes a username might not be available, so you may need a few tries. After your Gmail name has been accepted, then you will need to set a password. Create your password and your account will be created. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.